Hi, and thank you so much for showing interest in working with us. It means a lot. I'm Shawana Turner with Metro Area Development of Northrop Realty. Now let's get into the reason why you're here. You're thinking of selling your home and you want to hire an experienced brokerage who can do the very best job with your most valuable asset, your home. Let's talk about what I feel is one of the most important aspects of the agency you hire, marketing. Marketing is one of the essential components in selling your home and maximizing the return on your investment. We have been using digital marketing and technology to our sellers' advantage for years, but now more than ever. It's so important for a seller. Not having a strong online presence can mean the difference of losing thousands and thousands for a seller. Being a brokerage in the top 1% of brokerages nationwide, this is one of the areas I see most agents struggle with. And it's actually one of the most important aspects in my opinion. In 2022, Northrop Realty sold over 3,800 homes, and they've dealt with thousands of sellers over the past couple of years. It can be very difficult to know who to trust and who to hire. And believe me, we get it. There's over 82 years of combined experience, so we know what it takes to sell a home. We highly push education here at Metro Area Development of Northrop Realty, and we know how important it is being educated in the profession that you're in. So our brokerage spent hundreds and hundreds of hours getting designations and credentials so that they can educate us agents to represent you to the very best of our ability.
Hi, I'm Alfred Turner. Shawana and I are business partners together. Marketing is one of the key factors in getting your home sold, and we find that many agents struggle with marketing. What is equally as important is getting educated in real estate, and we have the experience to back that up. We also find that most agents don't take into account the importance of digital marketing. They're using the old school ways and techniques, but these techniques are not effective in today's digital marketing age. It's very typical for agents to just throw a sign in the yard, put it on the MLS, and pray that people come to them. I find that a little alarming because according to the Home Buyers and Sellers Report from the National Association of Realtors, less than 3% of home sales are from an open house. In our opinion, that is why only 3% of agents across the United States sell over 25 homes a year, because they are still doing things the old school way that they were taught 10, 15, and 20 years ago. And that is putting the house on the MLS and doing an open house are just not enough in today's age. We did those sort of things in the past because we did not have the internet, video, or social media, but now we do. It takes a lot of experience, research, and education on digital marketing. This is a huge investment and an emotional one as well. And we understand that here at Metro Area Development of Northrop Realty, you deserve all those things. Your home deserves maximum exposure. We need to expose your home to the thousands, not just a few.
We do this by thinking outside of the box and by using a highly comprehensive digital marketing strategy that we have yet to see other agents utilize in our area. We focus on innovation, technology, video, and social media. And here's the kicker. We use them the right way. Now, what do I mean by the right way? Well, according to the National Association of Realtors, only 16% of agents are using social media. From our extensive research, we found that less than 1% across the nation are actually using it correctly. Many agents are just using the buzz term that they use social media and technology. Can you imagine the power of having over 132,000 people actually seeing your home online? And here's another example showing views. That's a lot, isn't it? We create amazing landing pages for our homes on social media, and we use video when doing so. According to Orion 21, landing pages with videos have up to 800% more conversions than the same landing page without a video. Here's another crazy statistic I think you should hear about. According to the National Association of Realtors, 67% of buyers are going to walk through a home that they see online. So can you only imagine how important it is that we expose your home to as many prospective buyers online as possible? Because if 60% of the people that see your home are likely to walk through it, then it's our fiduciary obligation to make sure that we expose your home to the masses. Also, we can target your specific home to people both locally and out of the area. This is called geographic detail targeting. We do this not only on Facebook, but also on various other social media platforms. Here's another example of just a few properties that we advertise, and you can see the amount of hours that people were watching the videos. That's so much more powerful than just doing an open house, which typically only attracts looky-loos and of course your neighbors, right?
Did you know that according to the Vertex, only 4% of agents post their videos on YouTube? Also, according to the Online Publishing Association, 46% of users would take some sort of action after seeing an ad or a video. And according to the Mist Media, the average user spend about 88% more time on a website using a video. But utilizing our unique marketing ability to attract the right buyer, we are able to sell your home faster. Be sure that these agents are able to show you, not just tell you, that they are able to get these type of results. Another key factor when selling is that we also have the ability to continue to market to people who have previously interacted with your property just like yours. This is called retargeting, and we will be retargeting your property to buyers who looked at properties in the past that were similar in size and price to yours. This is important because, again, another stat from the National Association of Realtors is that buyers start their home search 3 to 6 months prior to actually moving and buying. So we can target buyers who were looking at properties similar to yours a few months back. We do this with buyers both locally and out of the area, so we're targeting buyers from other cities like Bethesda, Bowie, Upper Marlboro, Glendale, Columbia, and Potomac, and so many more areas. This is so important to target your home to these areas because those homes in those areas are so much more expensive than the homes in this area. And what a buyer can afford is way much more affordable here than in those surrounding counties. So it's imperative that we market to them as well. It's important to also know that buyers tend not to just go out and buy a home right away.
They do extensive research pulling the trigger. We have campaigns and workflows in place to make sure that we are top of mind, and we're able to pixel those buyers and put relevant information in front of them, answering their questions and providing as much value and need that that buyer wants. So when they go to purchase, they'll reach out to us and we can assist them in purchasing. Here's an example of what just one of those workflows looks like. We create a video ad about 5 secrets for the first-time home buyers, and then we send them to another video on the difference between a pre-approval letter and a pre-qualification letter. Lastly, we send them to a video with homes available in your neighborhood, and then we send them a list of homes that they can actually purchase. So here's an example of a follow-up sequence we give them after they show interest so we can continue to stay top of mind, since it takes several months for buyers to actually buy. We don't want to risk losing out to potential buyers for your home. So this is very important. That's how we make sure we stay top of mind and have plenty of buyers to work with to show your home as well. Here's another key feature that hiring us here at Metro Area Development of Northrop Realty will benefit you. We use Zillow to expose your home. I'm a preferred agent on Zillow, which means that Zillow is being paid to allow me to have more pictures, longer descriptions, and a professional video of your home on the tab that buyers are actually seeing. Also, you can see that we've gone through extensive training to make sure we are utilizing Zillow correctly. And that is almost why 100% of the time, our listings actually show up as number 1 on Zillow compared to our competitors. Here's some great examples of showing how our listings compare to our competitors when they're listing properties that are like ours. Our listings get significantly more views, and it's really important to you because Zillow is the number 1 search engine that buyers are actually searching for. This is important because when they call, I can actually have seen the home, right? And I know what they're interested in. We can actually advise them correctly as far as what the home has or doesn't have, and we can make sure they're actually qualified. Also, statistics on using real live video to showcase your home is drastic. Homes that have videos sell more quickly for more money, and they get more people to go through them. So using a professional video and of course professional photography is an absolute must. It's not okay to just use your iPhone for pictures or to actually stitch pictures together. You want to have a true video taken from a professional videographer who knows how to capture the attention of a buyer. And drone photography is absolutely a must. We utilize software called Matterport, What this is a full 3D 360 degree view of the home to showcase how fabulous it is. It's like the buyers are actually able to walk through the home from anywhere. So a buyer can be in another city and do a complete virtual walkthrough of your home just as if they were truly in it. We also do online virtual open houses so we can attract buyers, answer their questions, make sure they're truly qualified before they actually come and view the home with us or with their agent. Now, I don't want to overwhelm you with all the digital marketing that we do because there's actually a lot more. I'll be sending you a marketing guide so you can actually take a look at that as well. Another very important aspect is to think about staging the home so you can get it ready for sale. This is a huge aspect of marketing. According to MortgageReports.com, homes that are staged sell 73% faster on average, and according to another article on Investopedia, it stated that in a survey of 3,500 homes that were actually staged, 46% of them sold 10% on average more than homes that were unstaged. We offer free partial staging with one of our professional stagers to get your home in tip-top shape before going on the market. Now, there is so much more that I can go over, like Craigslist, e-flyers that go to thousands of brokers, special networking groups where we showcase your listings, and the hundreds of websites that we actually go on. But I don't want to bore you. Oh, and I also forgot to tell you, we also have your own individual personalized website where it's got as much information as possible. The videos, the flyers, the square footage, a virtual tour, the home tour from the sky, you name it, your virtual site has it. And when somebody actually texts this information, what happens is we get their phone number emailed to us so we can reach out to them to see if they have any interest in the property. Now, don't worry. Of course, we still do all the traditional things like sending out hundreds of just listed postcards. So all your neighbors know about your home so they can actually tell their friends and their family that may be looking. We still do our 4-page color brochure showcasing your home with professional photographers and video, etc., etc.
But with digital marketing, our unique approach to utilizing technology and properly knowing how to use social media to showcase your home to the thousands and thousands of people, both locally and outside of the area. Well, that's where we are cut above the rest. And you must know that when you work with us, you get a full team who specialize in each aspect of selling your home. Have you ever heard of the phrase called jack of all trades, but a master of none? It's kind of impossible to master everything. So, meet the team. I'm Alfred Turner. I am the listing agent specialist. I will work to help to ensure that everything that I promise you, you're actually going to get, and you're going to get it done well. I will meet with you to review all the messy paperwork like the disclosures. I will keep you safe from future litigations. I will speak with other agents and answer questions of the buyers and negotiate the best term for your home. I will help you negotiate the highest price and the very best term. I'll be advising you about what is customary and what is not, so that you aren't taking advantage of during this highly emotional time. And here's Virginia. Virginia has a knack for working with other agents and collaborating with them to get our buyers' offers accepted. She's very admired and absolutely respected amongst her peers in the industry. Next up is Sonia. Sonia makes sure that all the paperwork is in order, all the I's are dotted, all the T's are crossed. She has coordinated hundreds and hundreds of contractors to keep both you and I safe from future litigation. Now let's meet Jay. Jay takes care of all our professional videos, drone photography, and full 3D with a 360-degree view of the home. He also assists with the virtual online open house. Jay is a super important asset of our team because homes that have professional photography and videos get significantly more people through the door. And they also sell faster and for much, much more money. Now, let's meet Alfred Turner III. Alfred III is our digital marketing specialist. He handles creating beautiful brochures, making sure the website displays your home as best as it should. He creates Facebook, Instagram, and Craigslist posts. He also is responsible for showing you on a weekly basis all the marketing that he has done on your home so that your home does not go stale on the MLS or on Zillow. I specialize in all aspects of social media. I create stunning ads that receive thousands and thousands of clicks, shares, reach, and comments. Our job is to get your home massive exposure so it doesn't sit on the market and get stale. We specialize in digital marketing because we know That's where the buyers are, and that's online. Now, according to the National Association of Realtors, 99% of buyers start their home search online, and we specialize in getting your home in front of them. With a team like this, you can't go wrong. But be careful when an agent states to you that you get them exclusively, because it is nearly impossible to do an excellent job on your home in this day and age with this type of details and this type of expertise that goes into this type of digital marketing. It's nearly impossible to do an excellent job on your own. The details and expertise that goes into marketing, exposing, negotiating, and seeing a home all the way from the contract to the close is almost impossible to do alone. And don't forget, properly marketing a home in a way that it needs to be marketed is so essential. It takes continuous research and education and all of the new innovative ways to market your home as it should be in the 21st century. So I've given you a lot to think about. Now I encourage you to give us a call at Metro Area Development or North Realty so we can put our money where our mouth is and get the shortest possible amount of time with the most amount of money in your pocket. And don't let all of these bells and whistles scare you. Our fees are highly competitive, but what is not is our unique knack for digital marketing and getting your home sold more quickly and for more money. So many people are so concerned with commission, and I truly understand that's a valid concern. But what most sellers don't understand is that the lack of experience, knowledge, and marketing in this industry can cost you way more than just a few percentage points in commissions. So, think about that when you're thinking about who you're going to hire. It's almost impossible to compete with the amount of experience and education that we have on this subject matter. And remember, our goal is to give you 5-star service so that we can earn a 5-star review at the end of our transaction together. I thank you so much for your time, and we cannot wait to work with you. And as always, every day is a great day to buy and sell real estate.